How to install and set up your Threads account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you also want to make an account on Threads, what you're gonna do is, first of all, open Play Store, then search for Threads. After you search, in the first you can see the option Threads. Tap on it. So Threads is an app that is associated with Instagram. Tap on open. Over here it is showing me my Instagram account. If you already have an Instagram account and want to link it, so you can simply tap on this, then it will take you to your Threads account. However, if you do not want to use that account and use the other account, what you're gonna do is, in the bottom of the page you can see the option use different account. Tap on it. Now it will take you to this page. Over here you have to enter your Instagram's username, the email or your phone number, and then your password. After you fill up these two informations, you can simply tap on login, and then you will successfully be logged into your Threads account. So this is how you can log into Threads. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you, and see you in the next one.